So this is USDCAD Analysis for Tuesday, the 13th of March. Now, let's just have a look at where prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously, we had prices developing a bit of a trading range here in around that inside the 130 level and in around that 28.80 or so. Had prices trading within this particular range, posted a lower high, had a sell side momentum take us down pretty close towards this 128 level, from which we have seen a buy side momentum return. Now, the buy side momentum that has returned has not been as strong as, say, these moves here, where we have had large distances covered over short periods of time relative to the time frame. Instead, we've had it's more of a slow grinding move to the upside. I shouldn't say grinding, I suppose. It's just been a slow move to the upside. These candles are pretty small in size, possibly suggesting that there might be some news event, kind of news overhang on this market, or there is something waiting in the wings. So this could potentially be a retracement before another leg down on this market, but it does remain upwards nonetheless, even though it is being a very slow process, which suggests that the bulls are somewhat tentative and there might be a lot of bearish overhang here in this market, because it hasn't been a very sharp reversal, it hasn't been a sharp retracement of any kind. It has been a very slow, cautious move to the upside. Now, if we do see this continued move to the upside, and if we do continue to hold on to this 138.39, we're currently, we've already retested the 28.62, which was this low over here, which acted as support for a move upwards towards that 130 level. So if we can break and hold on to the 28.62, we are looking for prices to see our price react towards the 200 period moving average. 200 period moving average currently sitting in around that 128.87. So in around that 128.87, we do have the 200 period moving average. Break from which we're looking for the major level of this 129, which proved problematic in 2017. And if we do break above this major level of this 129, which was somewhat a bit of a proved problematic in 2017, we are looking for prices head up towards that 129.44, from which we did see sell side momentum previously, a most recent swing before we had a move down in the market, most recent major swing. Again, we did see resistance in around the 129.44 or so, trade slightly above it, but we'll work with 129.44. So we'll see our price react above this 129.44, and if we do break from there, we're looking for prices to test the highs of 2018 so far in around that 130 level. Now, if we do break down from this 128.62 or from the 200 or 129 level, we are looking to test the 128.39, break from which we're looking for the price to test this 128 level. Now, we didn't quite get down to 128, but we're talking about a couple of pips or so. And as we didn't see a major reversal or retracement from that level, it's difficult to pinpoint exactly where the market decided to turn around, so possibly around that 128.03 or something. So we work with 128, break from which we're looking for price head down towards our 127.78, and we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing the likelihood of potentially finding support at the level, as we would have a a dynamic level of possible support in around the 400 period moving average, as well as a horizontal support of the 27.78. If we did break down from there, 127.56 will be our focus, and if we do find support at the 127.56, we are looking for price head down towards that 127 level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the USDCAD analysis. I won't anticipate 127 coming into focus unless we do have a particular volatile day and there possibly being some fundamental reason for it. So possibly around that 127, around a 127.56 or so, 127.30, possibly the far end of the range. And if we do have a particular volatile day, 127. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the USDCAD analysis. Thanks for watching.